So today I'm going to show you how to change out your faceplate on your Ring Doorbell Pro. Maybe you want to switch to a different finish, brown, black, or white, or change out the silver. So I'm going to quickly show you how to do this. So first of all, let's get a Phillips screwdriver and just undo the screw on the bottom left-hand side. There we are. Put that down real fast. And then all we have to do is pull the cover straight off. So it might be stuck because there could be grime and gunk and sand and all kinds of stuff. I have construction going by me, and so it had a little bit of debris on it. But so we've got the faceplate off. We can just stick another one on, and then put the screw back in the bottom, like so. Tighten it up, and we're done. Thanks for watching.